All right, Chad and I are super excited to walk around and show you guys this gorgeous 1969 Camaro Super Sport, 427 under the hood, 4-speed transmission, repainted in its original dark green metallic. Very quality car.
A very special car. It's got some neat documentation here that comes along with the car, kind of documenting and showing when this car came. It was a real barn find when it came to this restoration shop. The guy brought it in for a complete restore. And if you kind of look here, you can see that the original paint is still on the car.
Here's a little better picture of that as well.
Oh, perfect. All perfect. Yeah. Original paint was still on the car. You got bare metal here. You got your factory big block. I don't know what happened to the big block motor, if it needed to be redone or what, or wasn't savable. But the car was pretty much taken back exactly like it was from the factory, except for the restorer went ahead and chose the black hockey stripe instead of the white.
And the vinyl roof as well.
Yeah. Tons of information here on the engine. As far as all the receipts done on the engine, $6,500 spent just on the engine alone.
It's got all your specs, which is always nice to have, especially with a high horse motor like this one.
Yep, you got all your part numbers and all that kind of stuff on there. You got dyno sheets. So this was a 335 horsepower 427 from the factory. It does now have about 411 foot-pounds of torque at 431 horsepower, so 5,500 RPM. So
another thing that's neat, when they did the rebuild of this motor, they documented everything with pictures to show you, the quality of the rebuild.
Wow.
Block. It's always neat to have this kind of documentation with a motor.
And with that documentation comes a absolutely gorgeous car. Love the color combination, love the red lines. I mean, and this car's got a factory fold down receipt.
Yeah,
pretty damn cool, yeah. Really neat car. As we look up and down the sides of this car, absolutely laser straight, perfect show quality paint in my opinion. And you go underneath the hood, looks fantastic. Aluminum radiator keeping this thing cool, power steering, SS hood, inner fenders, and check out the, we'll leave that up and we'll just listen to it out the exhaust a sec. Got a nice 427 choppy idle. As you can hear, the door buzzer works. As we go underneath the hood, it's got the stock manifolds. Frame's all been painted. I mean, the undercarriage has all been painted black. Go to our website, coyoteclassics.com. You'll see all the undercarriage photos just documenting how solid and nice this car is. New steering box, power brake booster. You have factory 5757 on the paint, trim is 711. Your power steering.
A very fresh restoration too.
Done in the last, what, year? Year and a half?
Year or two, yeah.
Okay. I'm not going to bore you with all the things, that are new. And I mean, the whole car has been completely restored, you guys, from bumper to bumper, and it's just gorgeous. Finish on the front of the door, along the bottom of the fender, all that is in excellent condition. It doesn't have wheel well trim on it, and that's something that usually we do, but I thought it looked so clean and crisp just the way it is. We left it. Top of the door lines up excellent, all the way down along the back of the door. Got a perfectly even gap. Door tucks in nice. I love the metallic, the marbling color of this dark green. It's just fantastic. Body is laser straight. Just super, super clean from front to back. Back valance is in excellent shape. Dual exhaust. It's got the correct style dual exhaust. Back bumper, tail lights are all like new.
That's brand new.
As far as the just the restoration quality, they left all the factory little seams here. Black vinyl top is perfect. The paint around the vinyl top is excellent as well.
Thanks, Jim.
Chrome around the windshield is excellent. Wiper blades are new, windshield's new. Back of the hood and the cowl all lines up nice back here. Same way on the other side, at least the back of the hood sits down in there a little bit.
The only thing on this whole car that I've found to like really pick on is the hood sticks up just a little bit from the top of the fender, and
it could come down on the striker here, see that? So need a little more adjustment on the front edge of those strikers. Oh, the back window, trim around the back window is all brand new. The car's fantastic, Dalton. Whoever buys this is going to be super proud of it. Chrome's beautiful here. New rubbers on there. And as we open up the doors, everything was completely taken apart. The door jamb paint still looks wet on it. I mean, it looks just as nice as the rest of the car. It's got new retractable seat belts. There's our fold down rear seat. Now, one thing to talk about here, these are the original seat covers on this car. The headrest has a little crack here. The rest of that seat, you can tell where this, you can see the stitching just a little bit, but there's no seam splits or issues with the passenger seat at all. So the restorer chose to leave the original seats in there. There is new seat covers in the box, in the trunk, if you do want to put those on. But to me, I like the originality of it. Again, here's your corner of your door jamb. I forgot to get that corner. Can you get that for me, please?
very solid car.
Yeah, door panels are all new. Again, the restorer chose to leave the original door handle and window crank on the inside. Super Sport steering wheel is in perfect shape. All that is in excellent shape. The horn works. Gas gauge works. It's got the correct Hurst shifter. Carpet's in good shape. Inside the glove box is super nice. And I always do that, and they never want to shut properly. It's got the grab handle here. Wood grain on the dash is good. Rear view mirror is nice and tight. Visors are nice. Headliner's perfect. Rear sail. Dome light works. As we look up and down the driver's side, same thing. The doors tuck in nice, lines up great with the fender. Over the wheel well's excellent. Do you really see anything for flaws, doll? I don't really see crap in there for flaws. Mirrors and rubbers and gaskets are all new. As we mentioned earlier, the door buzzer works. Corner of the door is perfect. And if you guys are looking for a 69 Camaro and you like this rally green color, this is a fantastic car. So on the driver's side for seat flaws on the original, that's it, guys, right here. Two little tiny things here. Other than that, the seats are in great shape. Our interior strikers, I mean, all that stuff is new and it's all high quality stuff. I mean, nothing was done half-ass on this car that I can see at all. Another thing, 427, the timing's nice on it, starts easy, gas gauge works, wipers work, heater fan, that's freaking defined. Yeah, most time they don't have that.
Look at that, original AM radio works.
He just,
one word describes this car.
Quality.
Yep, definitely.
Better hold on to my hat.
It's all right, we're not gonna hammer it too hard. With that steering column or the steering sector is brand new. I mean, this steering is just super tight. Very, very nice. There's no slop in there whatsoever. We also went ahead with all those new parts. Everything's new up front. We went ahead and had it professionally aligned going down the road. Oh, jeez. I have not drove this thing since we tuned it up, since it first came in. Holy smokes.
Justin said it screams though. As it should with a 427.
It's a lot of motor in a light car. I just love how nice the shifter and stuff is here.
It gets with the program.
I think I'm in love. What a nice car, you guys. I mean, this is not the power or the quality of the paint. Look at the shifter's not all jagging around, jerking around. It's nice and clean.
Goes down the road.
Yeah, corner's good, handles the road fantastic.
It's kind of cold today with all the windows up.
It is cold.
At least the front ones I might not reach for my back one.
No, I can reach it. The windows go up and down nice too. Very nicely. Also our internal vent things. The kick panels are all new. Those vents are working. Foot's getting cold. The brakes are perfect though. So absolutely no problem with the brakes. Guys, this is an awesome car.
Yeah, it is.
Huh?
Camaro, big black 4-speed, beautiful paint, beautiful interior, all around nice car. Go on the website coyoteclassics.com, check out this car and our other inventory as well. We can help you with financing, arrange shipping. Give us a call, you'll be glad you did.